Hello. And welcome back to the Umbrella Academy. In this lecture, we will discuss Erythro and Threo nomenclature. Consider this molecule. It is a 4-carbon aldohexose sugar called erythrose. And this one is called threose. Since OH of the bottom asymmetric carbon is on the right, therefore, as per Fischer-Rosenhoff convention, this is designated as D-erythrose. The enantiomer of D-erythrose looks like this and is called L-erythrose. Similarly, this is also having OH of bottom asymmetric carbon on the right and is therefore designated as D-threose. Its enantiomer is called as L-threose. Notice that, in both the enantiomers of erythrose, the two asymmetric carbons have 2 hydrogen on the same side. The 2 hydroxyls are also on the same side. Similarly, both enantiomers of threose have 2 hydrogens on the opposite side as well as 2 hydroxyls are also on opposite side. These names have evolved into shorthand way of naming diastereomers with 2 adjacent asymmetric carbon atoms. Thus, if you have a molecule like this with dissymmetric ends, and similar groups are on the same side, we call it erythro. And if the similar groups are on the opposite side, we call it threo. These can be remembered by their first letters E and T. E has its lines on the same side and T has its lines on opposite sides of the vertical line. Notice that, configuration on one chiral center is reversed, therefore these are diastereomers. Thus, the erythro diastereomer is the one with similar groups on the same side of the Fischer projection. And threo diastereomer is the one with similar groups on the opposite sides of the Fischer projection. Consider this molecule and its diastereomer. Both are named as 2,3-dibromopentane. This one is erythro because similar groups are on same side and this one is threo because similar groups are on opposite sides. Similarly, consider these 2 diastereomers, called as 2,3-dihydroxybutanoic acid. This one is threo and this is erythro. These 2 are named as 3-chloro-2-butanol. Here hydrogens are on the same side and is called erythro. And this one has hydrogens on opposite sides and is called threo. If you are asked to draw the Fischer projections for the enantiomers of threohexane 1,2,3-triol, we can draw it like this. OH is on the first carbon. The OH on second and third carbon are on opposite sides. Then 3 more carbons. The other enantiomer will be mirror image of this. Here is an assignment for you. This is ephedrine, a bronchodilator. This is pseudoephedrine, a decongestant. You have to assign erythro and threo notation to these Fischer projections. Also label the D and L isomers of ephedrine and pseudoephedrine using Fischer-Rosenhoff convention. If you don't want to miss out important lectures, then subscribe and press bell icon for notifications of new lecture uploads.